Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we have tried to cook three things. One is broccoli, second is palak, spinach, and third we have cooked rasam, tomato rasam. So let me show it to you how these things look. So this is broccoli. It is cooked in coconut oil. This is palak, spinach, palak with garlic, and this one is tomato rasam. This is looking very delicious. Let me taste this first. Wow, very tasty. And other two things are also looking really tasty. I will be having all this with the rice and chapati. So if you want to know the recipe, please do leave a comment and let me send it to you. See you in the next video. Bye bye.